especially in classics. 2006 Ford Mustang Premium GT Coupe. Little over 6,500 miles on it is all. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Everything I've seen on it appears to be original paint, and it is in beautiful shape. Tungsten gray metallic, dark gray leather interior. Of course, the 4.6 liter 3-valve V8 underneath the hood. This one has been massaged a little bit, and it was done nicely. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, I'm going to tell you where to go check those out, because you're going to want to see the underside of this car, interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. I want to give you a good shot at that front end, front fascia. This car, not any sort of nicks, dings, scratches up on the fascia. Front license plate has never been mounted. You can take a look at the hood. You don't see a bunch of touch-up, anything like that on it, rock chips. Very well maintained car. Now, when I say that 4.6 liter has been massaged a little bit, it's definitely woke up from what it would have came from the factory. Comp cam, as well as Comp cam's 3-valve spring set. BBK 65mm throttle body. Does have a Ram air box on it with WMS high velocity intake. Sean Highland underdrive pulley. Does have pipes, H pipe on it. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll check out that engine bay. You're going to see what I'm saying. As you can see, C-stripe down the passenger side. Contrasting charcoal gray on the tungsten. Nice looking contrast. Take a look at this interior. Interior's like new. Bucket seats. Does have the 5-speed automatic transmission paired up with that 4.6 liter. Shaker 500 system. And of course, all the other standard features you're going to get on a 2006 Premium. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, I did notice 2 little spots. Been nicely touched up, if you can even see them. Just a little bit there and there. That is it that I have noticed on the car. Of course, we welcome third-party inspectors if you'd like to have somebody come inspect this car for you if you're unable to do it yourself. This one will not disappoint. Let's go ahead and take a look down the driver's side closely. Then we'll take a little closer look at the interior. We'll pop that hood and check it out. One other thing I want to mention, does have adjustable struts up front. I'm going to show you that when we get the hood open, start it up, let you hear it run. They also did away with the hood prop rod. It does have the classic design concept hood struts on it, and it also has an SCT tune to it. So let me get this door open. Let's go ahead and check out this interior, and we'll check out the rest of the car. Of course, power windows, power locks, mirrors. Take a look at the door panels. It's in nice condition. You'll see a picture of the door tag here, and with the still pictures, the window sticker, manuals, receipts will also go along with this car from what has been done to it. Power seat, of course, driver's side. 6 CD changer with that Shaker 500 system. And let's go ahead and fire this up. There you go, you can hear that. That's not your normal GT exhaust. There's your actual mild. No warning indicators. Gauges all work. Take a little closer look at the dash. No surprises there. And seats, both in a great condition. What you'd expect with a car this kind of miles on it. Nothing out of the ordinary there. Slip around to the back of this. I want you to hear this car. Nothing crazy over the top. Nice sounding car. Tell you what, I'm gonna pause this a second. I wanna get this hood open. Let's check out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Okay, take a look at the underside of this hood, that hood liner. You can tell this car has not been driven in any sort of climate weather. Look at how clean that is. I did grab the tool for the adjustable struts. For demonstration purposes, just set that in there so you can see it. Of course, there's an Allen head. So you adjust it, cap that goes on when you're done. Look at these valve covers. They've been powder coated. Tastefully done again. You know what those look like, stock from Ford after a few years. There's us talking about the Ram airbox with the WMS, high velocity intake. And of course, the 65 millimeter throttle body. Classic design concepts, hood struts. Just a nice, tastefully done engine bay. And added some horsepower to it. It's a fun one to drive, folks, no doubt about that. Sounds good, looks good. 2006 Ford Mustang GT Premium Coupe. Tungsten metallic, that contrasting C stripe. What a great looking car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Don't forget that number. Give us a call. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call in or email.